Want to get another Exitlag free trial? Here's the easiest way step by step. Step 1. Use a new email address. Exitlag tracks trials by account, so you'll need a fresh email. Create a Gmail or Outlook account in just a minute and use it to sign up again. Step 2. Clear device traces. Exitlag can sometimes remember your old account. To avoid this, uninstall the app, then reinstall it. On Windows, also clear leftover files from program files and app data folders. Step 3. Change your payment method. If you used the same card before, it might not let you start a new trial. Try a different debit card, PayPal, or a virtual card service. Many free virtual cards work perfectly for Exitlag trials. Step 4. Use VPN if needed. Some users report a better results when signing up from a different region. Just connect your VPN, create the new account, and launch your trial. Step 5. Repeat when needed. Whenever your trial runs out, you can repeat these steps with a new email and payment option to enjoy Exitlag again. And that's it. By switching emails, cleaning up your system, and using alternate payment options, you can keep getting Exitlag trials without issues. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.